Next on the true edge cleaning chopping block, Dyson DC65 Animal. And I have no idea what this machine is going to do for this stuff. So we'll see what happens. That'll be enough. I'm going to run it with the brush roll on. I can't imagine it's going to make that much of a difference with it on or off, but let's go see. Ooh, that's really nice performance. How about that? And if I tilt this in here, look at this right here. See, it's starting to pick up a bunch of flour right in there. So I saw that when it was moving forward, these bristles kind of seemed to help spinning. So I might recommend, if you edge clean with this, even on bare floors, depending on how delicate your bare floor is, maybe leave your brush roll on, because it did an excellent job. That's really something. And as far as I can tell, I don't really see an opening per se right along this edge of the rug plate. But somehow, maybe through this little lip here, it managed to get to it. So, nice. I wasn't really expecting that. And let's face it, it made it into the bin. Huh, look at that. Nice job. All right, what'd you think of that one, Dyson lovers? Until next time, happy edge cleaning.